Farmed by the McSpeddens since the 1840s, Springfield is not littered with high-tech gizmos. Jeff McSpedden has built the farm to maximise production.
We did an irrigation drainage management plan. We looked at that. We then mapped it with green seekers, looking at biomass. And some of that determined to us that we had actually ground that probably wasn't worth sowing crop on, not vegetables on anyway.
A water and energy audit identified savings.
We were using about 1 kilometre of open ditch drainage to pump from the river into a drain, run it all the way down into a dam and then double pump it. And we were losing half of the water that we were actually extracting from the river to get to the dam. So the first thing we did, we invested and we put 1.5 kilometre of 8-inch underground main, which just meant only one pump, and then of course we were saving half our water. But the big saving was actually in energy. Really it all comes down to how you can get water on that crop the most efficiently. We started off with hand shift, irrigation, with spray lines, then we moved to travellers, and then now we've moved to pivots, and we've got 11 pivots now. Some growers can't go to that sort of system. It's just not physically possible in the shape of their farm, right? Or there might be power lines or something run across their farm. Travellers are still okay, but what we found, 3 years ago, we fixed up all our leaks. That, I mean, we bought 2 new hoses for a couple of travellers we still used. We went round and dug up anywhere there was a leak on hydrants and fixed them. We fixed gate valves by putting new packing in them. And pressure in our system went up something like 5 psi, which is a water saving.
Simple scheduling technology suits lettuce production.
We used to use the full stops. They were really good. They're simple. They don't cost much. You just put them out when you sow, and we found that 10 minutes irrigation got it down to about 70 mils in the soil. And that's all you need for the seedling. So 10 minutes every day for the young stuff. And then at about 200 mils took 20 minutes to get it to come down with a full stop. So older lettuce got 20 minutes, young stuff got 10.
Jeff says the industry needs new markets and to cut input costs.
Labour's the huge issue, and if robotics can reduce labour, and it's only early days with these robots, like they won't be able to do everything, they won't be able to harvest and that, but they'll do some of the small jobs, and they can do them 24/7. Like we've got one going now called the Ripper, and I think it's got legs. It's actually taking out weeds at Cowra, and that's a really bit of smart gear.
Mechanisation promises to cut the cost of labour and boost market access.
How much wheat would they grow if we didn't have headers, you know what I mean? Yeah, well, the lettuce growers haven't got their first HV Mackay harvester yet. So that's where we've got to go, is mechanising our job, reducing labour. And the effect of once you can reduce that labour component, you can probably afford to take a little less cost, a little less price in the market, which then makes us internationally a lot more competitive.